All right, let's install our iPad with keyguard into one of these soft-sided Finty or Pro Case style keyguards. And it really helps to have a little plastic prier like this or some really strong fingernails to do this job. And I've got this. I've got the former because I don't have the latter. So first thing you do is you install your tablet just as you would anytime, making sure that the camera aligns with the hole in the case for the camera. I find this the most difficult thing to do. It'll be hard to do on camera because I'm going to have to push it up against myself. All right. Now it's in place. Next step is the slightly harder thing to do. Put the keyguard in place and have very thin, in terms of thickness, slide-in tabs just to make the job a little easier. I don't know that it matters which ones you put in first, but I'm just going to assume that putting it in the top part here is easier, is better, since it gives me more flexibility to use this, or it gives me the opportunity to use this more flexible part to help work the slide-in tabs under there. So we'll just look here and we'll see if we can, okay, we can just slide those under. That's nice. And then we'll try to, well, it's going to be easier than I thought. Look at that. All right. But still holds very well in place. That was better than I thought it was going to be. So, didn't need this at all.